Probo is as good as your knowledge. The higher your knowledge, the higher your winnings. Hi, my name is Ishaan. I am residing in Bangalore. It's just a simple yes or no kind of things. Yes or no kind of thing in the sense that, okay, you have to analyze. Say for example, there's a question, will India win the match against Pakistan today? Okay, so now you have to analyze the teams of both India and Pakistan. You have to analyze the pitch, you have to analyze the stats, and you have to do your research, who is bowling, who is batting. See, it's not only about winning or losing the match. Probo has n number of questions. I'll give one example. It's about a women's T20 league. The finals was between Bangalore and Delhi. Since I'm a Bangalorean, I wanted my team to win, and I kept on investing my money on Bangalore team. So I did my research, because when you see team sheets of both the teams, Bangalore had way more better players than Delhi. The only thing was Delhi got a good start. When you analyze both the teams' players, Delhi had only 3 or 4 good players, but Bangalore had 7 or 8 good players. And once the 7th or 8th over, when Sophie Molnox was introduced into the attack, she got 2 or 3 wickets in a hurry. So from that point, Delhi got all out on 120 or 130 or something. There is like so many different categories. There's like YouTube, there's like cryptos, there are like economy, business, so many different categories should be there. It's just like your knowledge. Probo is as good as your knowledge. The higher your knowledge, the higher your winnings. So I'm not telling about only about 1 or 2 events. That is one very good initiative done by Probo.